I am not usually a chaotic person, but I end up in chaotic situations a lot of times, like today, because I have to do my hair, do my makeup, and get ready to catch a 3 o'clock boat. It's now 1:49. So let's get into this video, and I'm also going to put a little vloggy on the end, so stay tuned. Let's get with it because we got somewhere to go. I was trying to figure out what this white thing is in my hair. I know I left a little bit of conditioner in my hair to make styling a lot easier. I didn't think I left that much. The hair has been shampooed and conditioned. Now we're going to go into the styling. I'm thinking to do the 3-part sleek ponytail with a claw clip at the end. I don't know why I'm doing this, but yeah, I am not the best with sleeking my hair down because Jermaine is stubborn. Okay, should I part the back first? We should do that. So I'm gonna sleek the back down first. And I usually don't leave conditioner in my hair, but I want to try something out, you know, see if that makes styling my hair easier on days where I do wash my hair and stuff. So I'm just gonna slightly detangle. I'm going to apply some gel on that back section, and of course we're going to brush. I take everything for a joke, obviously. So I'm not gonna put it into a tight ponytail as yet, but you know what? I should have carried the gel all the way down to my ends. I do want it to be curly at the back with the claw clip. I usually don't style my hair like this often, so you are going to see a lot of gel if you get triggered by that. I'm just letting you know. This is just a quick, cute, elegant, different hairstyle I don't usually do. This is not for longevity, and this isn't one of my routines. Okay, time check. Ooh, we gotta go. Put it in a loose ponytail for now. Let's work on the front section. My hair is drying out and we need some water. This is the 3-part hairstyle, so I need a part in the front and one on each side. While I section, I'm just loosely twisting to keep my hair out of the way. I want to get these parts as straight or even on both sides as possible. Seems like it, right? Cool. Okay, you gotta pull the hair down so you can really see if it's straight or not. Some more water. Now we're going to apply the gel. Kind of glide that throughout my hair. Smooth that in the hair. Detangle slightly. Time check. Ooh, 1:59. It usually takes me about 20 minutes to do my makeup, I think. We're brushing. Just leave a little bit of hairs out. Brush it back into the direction. To the back. I'm gonna take off the ponytail holder at the back. Ooh, the ponytail looks good at the back. Might just leave it as a ponytail instead of a claw clip button. Gonna reapply the ponytail. More gel because we want this to stay. That is smooth. Okay, other side. Water. Of course, I don't ever style my hair without water. I could have brought the parts up some more. It's a little too much hair in the front. Anyway, brush that to the back. Connect this to the back, so pull it off again and brush. Now for the last part, I want to train it in the direction that I want it to go. Apply the gel, work the gel through the hair, especially the ends. I wonder if some of you thought I would have used edge control. Boom! Right here. I haven't washed my hair in 2 weeks, so I have a bunch of shed hairs and it's slowing up the process. I'm going to use some edge control to help mold and shape, especially around the part areas. My hair is starting to curl up, and I'm just gonna brush. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put a ponytail holder right here, connect it to the back because I know my hair and I feel like I'm not going to get it flat or as flat as I would want it. You guys saw when I put the ponytail holder in, right? If you didn't, my bad. I wrapped that around about 4-5 times. Brush again. Gonna apply some edge control on these sides and the areas near the parts. Yeah, this style takes a lot of molding. Now I'm going to connect the ponytail at the back and put a ponytail holder in. 1, 2, 3, and pull. I don't think the edge control is working, so I'm gonna put some more gel and brush. Now I'm shaping and molding again, now that it's tight, you know. Shape, drag down. Hold on, I need a scarf. Gonna tie my hair down and start my makeup. It's 2:10. Yeah, and I think I'm gonna rock the loose curly ponytail at the back. Let me apply some more gel. Did I tell you guys what gel I'm using? Oh, this is the Wet Line Extreme, the current gel that I'm using to do all my sleek and curly hairstyles for the majority of the time, unless I'm trying something new. Boom! Hair is done. We gotta do this makeup real quick, girl. Make sure my hands are clean. So I'm gonna prime my face. If you watched my previous Get Ready With Me video, I use majority LA Girl Cosmetics makeup right now because I haven't gone makeup shopping in a while, and I got the majority of these from my local beauty supply store. But sooner or later I may take a few trips to the stateside and get me some brand new makeup. Sooner or later. I like putting powder on my face sometimes, especially when it's hot. It's an extra primer step kind of, but I have the fan on today, so hopefully I don't sweat off my entire makeup per usual. The place is just really hot and it's not cooling down. I don't know what's going on. Has it still been hot where you guys are? I know usually around fall it gets a little cooler. Again, foundation from LA Girl, the first foundation I used to. I have to use to get a, I won't say perfect match, but a close enough match. So I'm just gonna be blending this in. Take my time and blend. Gotta get up by the hairline too. Okay, I feel like that's blended enough. Let me move into the eyebrows. I don't know why I didn't do that first. Eyebrows are done. I had to do that off camera because since I'm pressed for time, that would have stressed me out. I did want to put on some lashes though, but I won't have any time. But I bought some new mascara. I don't know if I've showed you guys any of them yet. My usual base eyeshadow look. I don't know, that's just gonna forever be my favorite look to do. My under eye. I like to mix two colors in those areas as well, so I use the Beautiful Bronze and Toffee concealers by LA Girl. Bought some new mascara from Amazon. I think I told you guys about them before. $2.31. I'm catching a 3 o'clock boat. I'm catching a 3 o'clock boat. Don't give me no bad energy, please. We're almost done. Just have my looks to do. But I'll show you guys when we're done. Okay, bye. Gotta go. Then I get to show you guys the look. But the crew is here. We're going to surprise Lara for her birthday today.
We out and about celebrating Miss Lara and her birthday. We're about to have a great time. Come on the vehicle plane, drink little. Happy birthday.
When you ain't done, sorry.
It's already done over.
Sorry, go again, continue.
Happy birthday, Lara.
Happy birthday, my friend. Hey. 1 more year upon them. It's King 7 blessings, more life, more kids, don't forget it.
Hey.
It's your boy Self. Happy birthday, Bella. You're a pain in the ass, but I hope you have a good day today. 1 more year upon them.
Hey. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Wait, you come with me? Maybe not.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. I don't like you. One more year. Thank you for bringing us here safely today to celebrate Lara's birthday, celebrate new life, new experiences, new money, new everything. Father God renew her and give her new energy to complete this year and to, have many more beautiful years to come. Thank you for bringing us all here together safely as well, and I hope that we get back safely as well in the name of Jesus Christ. I pray, amen. This tastes pretty good. Wait, they use wheat flour, man.
They say that's good?
Wheat flour? No, turmeric.
Wait, I'm confused.
Okay, fine, I'll try one.
How to keep the healing.
No.
That's just Happy birthday!
Hey, that's us. Exactly.
Look me, bro. Right, that's cute. I know this was going to happen. I was expecting this. I was expecting this. Thank you. This is so cute.
Okay, how does it feel?
How does it feel? I feel honestly surprised. I was there walking like, look how these people got me walking through sand
On your birthday.
on my birthday. So ghetto.
Where the hell are they taking me?
This beach? Might as well call it Lara Beach from now.
Wow.
King Garden Bay.
Start King Garden Bay. You don't want to stop. you don't want to stop me, son.
Day, and as you can see, we don't have the same hairstyle we had last night, and that's because I cannot sleep with tight ponytails in my hair. So we just took it all out, and I actually slept with my hair out last night, and I just put it into a puff this morning to train my clients. It's time for work. We're so excited. So we have nice, fluffy, curly, defined, still wet in some areas hair, but I'm loving the volume. I'm really loving the volume. I am due for a trim, so I'm surprised at how healthy my hair has been looking, but we need a trim. I acknowledge that soon. I like to trim my hair when stretched, so that's blow dried most of the time. So I'm just gonna refresh my hair, spray some water. Have to include spraying water in my hair now, since you guys think I don't. That was shade. I guess that's the part from last night. I'm using the viewfinder, so I can't really tell what's going on. But why do I have like a part right here? Anyway, no, I'm not done. Products work differently in everyone's hair. A product favorite for me will not be a product favorite for you, but you guys have to let me know if you guys want content creators or influencers to be honest or not. I have to be honest. If I don't rave about a product, doesn't mean that I don't like the product, just means that I've used better products, or it wasn't as magnificent for me as it was for you or anybody else. And it's okay. It's okay, guys. It's really okay. We don't all like the same things. We're not gonna rave about the same things. And that's why I like trying multiple things on my hair, to give you guys my experience. It's not telling you to not use the product, but I get it. I do have a platform where if I say I don't like something or I really like something, I have a community of you guys who go out and try these products, or who may not go out and try a product because of what I say about the product. And that's why I don't want to take bread from anyone's mouth. That is never my intention. So that's why I'm very, I'm very strategic with the way I do my reviews. If I like it, I tell you why I like it. If I don't like it, I tell you why I don't. So you'll have to gauge from that on whether it'll be a product for you to try or not. Not like I'm the example per se on what products you should try or should not try. Even though I know some of you, you take my reviews seriously, respect you, right? Love that. But at the same time, if you do want to try a product to see how it works on your hair, you're allowed to do so, because it's your hair, your money, and you do what you want. More gel. This is gonna be a very jelly week, because that's how we started, so we gotta continue with it. But I wear a hat usually, so it doesn't really matter what I do with my hair, but my hair has to be up and out of the way, out of my face for my job. So this is pushing it actually, because my hat can't really fit on my hair, and my hair is like this. But I just don't like how every time a product doesn't work in someone's hair, how they say it's supposed to work, or if someone doesn't rave about a product like everyone else, you guys try to find or nitpick on the things that they did. And I do get it. Some people do use the products how they are not intended to be used. But anyway, this is what the hair is looking like. Ooh, I should have showed you guys how it looked sleek. 1 second, because I don't know if I'm gonna get to show you guys how it looks with the scarf off. So let me show you real quick. Yes, that line is still irritating me. I know it's not a bald spot, it's just that that's how I had my hair parted. And the hair feels good, Hair feels good. And we're gonna have a beautiful day today. I'm a little moody, okay? Just a little. bit. It's the time of the month. So I just showed you guys how I saved my hair from my previous hairstyle without having to rewash and restyle. To have a beautiful work day. Toodles. Good morning. Happy Tuesday. The day after Monday. The next day. The following day. Hey. So my mind is racing. So if I seem a little all over the place, it's because I am. Okay? So the hair. This is what the hair is looking like the next day. I didn't tie my hair down to sleep. I tucked my ends on the ponytail holder to give me sort of like a bun, but it was just to get my hair out of the way. So let's take it down. I should have untucked the hair first. Yeah. The hair is definitely dry now. You guys see the shrinkage? My hair shrinks so much. I'm going to do the same thing, the same hairstyle, but I'm just going to refresh the edges. Today is going to be a very busy, productive day. I have a lot of things to do. I have a lot of things to catch up on. Not entirely my fault. So I'm just trying to stay above waters today. I know I'm going to get everything done, but days like these tend to stress me out and makes me not want to eat. Because I haven't even eaten breakfast yet. And I gotta do something real quick. I cannot go to work without eating today. But I'm good on time. See, so I just spritzed my hair with water. Did I use edge control or gel? I think I used gel, right? It's still there, so I don't really have to reapply. I'm not sure what I used. Razor, what did you use? You did use gel. I didn't use edge control. Well, I had edge control from prior, right? The first day I did it. All I'm trying to say is I don't need much product. Because the hair is still sleek just by adding water and spritzing. Wow, adding water and spritzing. Spritzing and adding gel. So adding water and gel. I told you guys I'm a little off today. Sorry. I don't like when my ponytail holders are tight throughout my work week. I don't need a headache at work. It's a little lumpy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hold on. I gotta do this again. That was much better. I'm still going to set it with the scarf. Remember, I wear a hat to work. So it doesn't really have to be the most sleek because it's going to get frizzy eventually. We don't have to do much to go to work, you know. And I love that. I really love that. Y'all ain't gonna see my hair. Who gonna see my hair? Not really, honestly, you know, like I'm in my room sitting down marking papers and stuff like, but otherwise when we go out to work we put on a hat, and I love that for me. Don't you love that for me? It's Wednesday and we're not gonna talk about it. We're just gonna refresh because I don't have much time either way. Spritz the hair and we're just going to gel, and my gel is basically done. I need to re-up on that brush. The curls still look good. My hair is dry. On a scale of 1 to 10, my hair is around a 8.5 dry. So it's not crispy. Still has some hydration in there a little bit. But I am probably gonna refresh my hair tomorrow or tonight. I'll see. Because I don't want my hair to break off from rocking the curls. But you still see the shrinkage, right? So here's a tip. Stop pulling your ponytail holders so tight, especially if you want your edges. You can get a fresh ponytail holder that is very tight. For example, this is a fresh ponytail holder. Even with the stretched out ponytail holder, I can put my ponytail holder around once and sleek my hair down, but this would have been even better, especially if you don't want to keep pulling and tugging on your edges and you want to save your edges. Especially when you're getting older, you're gonna have to be very delicate with your edges if you want to keep them. So stop pulling your ponytail holders back so tightly, at least every day. That's the problem when you do it every day. And stop going to bed with tight ponytails in your hair. That's another way you can break off your edges, because when you sleep, you know, your head is moving. When it's super tight, it doesn't really get any flexibility to move. Versus when it's slack, you see, you can move a little freely. When it's tight, it's going to automatically pull really tight on your hair. And that's how a lot of us lose our edges. I'm just saying. That is what we're going to do to the hair today. It's coming into more of a puff. So we have a lot more shrinkage. But anyway, guys, we're about to head to work. So I'm gonna see you maybe later or tomorrow. Make sure you check back in, because I'm gonna be here. I'm gonna be right here. Let's go. Well, you're not coming with me today, so deuces. Bye.